Bathrooms and semi-truck speed limits. What's the main connection there? If you've been watching our legislative coverage, you'd know those were some of the biggest issues that lawmakers chose to tackle this session. Here's a wrap of some of the major bills that are now Idaho law. Starting with a law that took immediate effect after the governor signed it this session, that'd be House Bill 561. Only certain flags can legally fly on government property, like the U.S. flag or the Idaho state flag. After it was signed into law, the city of Boise took down their pride flag immediately after, which had flown for a decade. Under the law, government entities must pay a $2,000 fine per non-approved flag per day. There were certain amendments, though, allowing for the Basque flag and the Canadian flag to fly under special circumstances. A bill that would criminalize willfully entering a public restroom or changing room designated for a different sex has been signed into law. It's going to take effect July 1st of this year. Under House Bill 752, a first offense would carry a misdemeanor, punishable by up to a year in jail. A second offense, within 5 years, would be a felony, punishable by up to 5 years in prison. A new law aims to clarify a state immigration law that's currently being blocked from going into effect. Last year, Idaho passed House Bill 83 into state law, which, among other things, created state immigration crimes of illegal entry and re-entry. Wasn't long until the ACLU sued. Senate Bill 1260 is supposed to clarify and strengthen last year's law. Opponents worry, though, this new bill is still too vague and also targets dreamers or undocumented immigrants brought here as kids. To fall in line with the governor's proposed budget, lawmakers made sweeping cuts to state agencies, including health and welfare. House Bill 863 cuts the reimbursement rate of residential habilitation providers, or ResHab, which helps people with disabilities live independently. It amounts to about a 10% cut to that part of the Medicaid budget. And a controversial law for the road, House Bill 664. That's going to allow for regular cars and semi-trucks to go the same speed limit on Idaho highways and the interstate. The law says any vehicle with 5 or more axles and weighing more than 26,000 pounds can drive the same speed as any other car on a state highway. It also removes the law that semi-trucks cannot go over 65 miles per hour on the interstate or highway.